What's up, guys? Welcome to the Troll Network. Check it out. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy.
Hello people, and I am going to be showing you how to make a custom grey thumbnail for your YouTube video using your phone. Now I have an Android phone and I'm going to be showing you how to make a brilliant free thumbnail for your Android device. So first things first is you need a great background picture for your custom thumbnail. Now at the minute I am working on making a Deontay Wilder custom thumbnail. So as you can see, I've typed in on Google Deontay Wilder's water. I'm going to click on this image that I want and click on it for about 3 seconds until this comes up. You just click on save image. It is that simple, and download it. It might be different on different devices, but on this Android device it is like this. Now I also want a picture of poison. So yep, click on poison. I like this one. So same thing again, you click on it and you go on save image and download the saved image. Now, the next step in you getting a great custom thumbnail for your YouTube video is this app known as Cut and Paste. Now, on other devices, I'm sure there will be different apps but similar. So, we're going to click on this app. I don't have the premium version, I have the free version. So, we're going to click on Manual Cut. And we're going to click on the poison bottle which I downloaded earlier. So we're going to click on Smart Cut and we're going to cut around the poison bottle like so. We're going to go on finalize, and as you can see it's brought up an image of it. So now I'm going to neaten this poison bottle picture out, and I don't think you need to view this. It could take some time. Now, the next step is you have to click on paste photo. And now the background photo that you initially want, you would click on it. For example, I want this. And of course, all the photos you have previously cropped out and edited will all come here at the bottom. So of course, I have done this poison bottle. Now, you can make this as big as you want, small as you want. You can duplicate it. And you can do basically almost anything you want. So now I'm going to make this custom thumbnail. Right. I'm going to put the poison bottle over here like so. And something else which I cut a long time ago I'm going to use. Yep, here it is. And of course I'm going to need to write, so I click on text. Hello. Yep, you get rid of that. Watergate. Okay, so now you can change the font. You can change the color to something that will stand out more on your background. You can change the size using this particular app. Apps Watergate. Then you go on done. Then if you want to write something else, same procedure again. Exposed. Again, you can change the font. Plenty of different fonts over here. And again, you can change the color. Plenty of colors. And again, you can change the size. Might need to, yep. Also, you can change the opacity. You can add shadow. You can add style using this app. It's a great app, really. As you can see, there is my custom thumbnail ready to go for my new Deontay Wilder video. But now is the tricky part. You need to screenshot this, as if you don't have the premium version, it will leave a small minor watermark at the bottom of the screen. But when you screenshot it, you can go into your gallery and crop the image, and it just leaves the image that you want. Now, the last piece in the jigsaw of you having an excellent thumbnail is resizing it. So you need a great app to resize your photo. I personally have an app known as Photo and Picture Resizer. Let us click on this app, and it will help you resize your photos to any size you wish. Now, of course, YouTube custom thumbnails have a certain resize limit. So as you can see, I've got the cropped and the uncropped version. I just click on the cropped version, and you click on resize. You click on custom, and as you can see, 1280 times 720, that is the ratio that YouTube requires. You click on OK, and it's resized it for you. So that is how to get a great custom thumbnail made completely for free for your YouTube channel. Now, these are some of the thumbnails that I have made for my previous videos using this same method that I have told you about in this video. Now, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace out.